One thing that can really ruin a beautiful paint job is something like this. You'll notice that on the last paint job, somebody painted the outlet, and they can get expensive and time consuming to replace. So let me show you a solution. It's quick, easy, inexpensive, and anyone can do it. No need for an electrician. So you can go from this to this in just minutes. The first thing you need to do is just remove the cover. I just have a flathead screwdriver here. And get yourself a package of these. Or 2 or 3, however many you need. And what you do is you just take this, slip it right over the outlet, snug it on there just like that, and put your cover back over it. Put your screw in. That's it. Don't over tighten this. You don't want to crack anything on here. And that's it. Now your outlet looks brand new. So I hope that saves you time and money. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notifications button so you know when I post a new video. Thanks for watching Home Maintenance Mastery.